Hey everyone, LM500 Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve the piraminx. Now, I'm going to make sure that you guys can see this. Scooch this back a little. Alright, hopefully you guys can mostly see this. So, let's solve it. Okay guys, so here's the piraminx right here, and now first we're just gonna randomly unsolve it. So just randomly unsolve your Rubik's cube. Make sure you turn the corner pieces too. Okay, so the first step in solving Rubik's cube is solving the corner pieces. So make sure that these corner pieces match up. Okay, once all the corner pieces match up, you need to get a diamond thing formation, whatever. So, to do that, you think of a color that you want to use. I want to use blue. So I see there's there's a corner blue piece here and a corner blue piece here. So I need to make sure that all the corners of the blue pieces are together. And then they'll make like a little formation like that. Next, I need to get these little edge pieces right here. And the edge pieces need to match with the colors that are down here. So, first, we see that this has green on the side and it's blue. So we go to the green section and it's blue. So if we turn this up, that would be in the right spot. So make sure that it matches. This is where it needs to go, and then this is where the piece is. So then you do this algorithm. You bring this down, bring this over, bring this back up. So then we're going to do the same thing with yellow. And do that same algorithm, and then we're going to get that out of the way, and then we're going to do the same algorithm on that. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep solving sides. Just keep doing that over and over on different sides until it eventually will get solved. So look, this piece needs to go right here. So I'm going to use that algorithm. And then this piece is on a different side. It's where if you turn it like this, it'd be on the right spot. So here's the right spot where it needs to be, and here's where it is. So then here's the algorithm that you would do. You'd bring this down, bring this over, bring this up. And then you see that there's only one more turn left, and boom. You have solved the piraminx. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And one thing that I would like to say is I would like to give a shout out to Jake30. He's my best friend. He's a YouTuber. And watch his video on how to make no glue slime. Do that. Subscribe to him, like his videos, comment, and turn on notifications. Just support his channel too. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yep, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And bye guys.